Welcome back to another video, everybody, and in today's video I will be showcasing you the Converse Chuck 70 High in collaboration with This Is Never That for the Lemon Ice or the new vintage colorway of the Chuck 70. Now in this video I will be showcasing you the unboxing experience, my thoughts and everything you need to know about the sneaker before buying or if you're looking to buy, and then I'll finish off with my on-feet looks where I showcase the sneaker on feet with 5 different pairs of pants. I'll leave timestamps for every portion of the video so you can skip straight to those if you'd like. Otherwise, feel free to sit back and enjoy the video. So as you can see here with the unboxing, it is nothing too special. You do get the special box that has the collaboration all over the top, and within the box you got these sneakers wrapped up in paper along with an extra pair of black rope laces, which is quite nice. Now everything you need to know about the sneaker. So this is a collaboration with a South Korean streetwear brand called This Is Never That. I believe they've done collaborations before and they've come back again with another one. And what's really cool about this sneaker is that instead of using that canvas material that Converse uses all the time for their classic sneakers, it is replaced with this very nice long-grained nubuck upper paired with a nice vintage cream midsole. And on the outsole it is the classic patterns, but it is in this very bright teal. Now the emblem on the medial side of the sneaker is a little bit different compared to the original pairs. On the heel it does have the classic Chuck 70 labels on the back, so those are not too different. But above that you do have that nice strip of fabric going all the way up the heel of the sneaker. In terms of sizing, these do fit like your normal Chucks, so definitely go a full size down, and I always suggest you try these on in store first before buying. In terms of my personal opinion, I bought these all based on photos I saw online, and I really like that suede or nubuck material. The other main attraction that made me pull the trigger is the vintage looking midsole as well. I think the creams work really well together with the black. The teal outsole is meh to me. It's cool to be different, but probably not my favorite. But because it's on the outsole, it doesn't really matter. I never get to see it anyways. The black laces is a nice touch. I didn't realize they come with an extra pair, but that's always good. And given you're paying a little bit extra for the collaboration compared to a normal Chuck 70, it's always nice to get extras as well. The script on the sneaker is quite nice as well. So all in all, I think the sneaker is clean. I do prefer the sneaker with the cream laces as opposed to the black. I think the black provides too much contrast. But yeah, I'm interested to see how these look with outfits. So if you're interested in seeing a lookbook with the sneaker, please drop a comment down below and say so I know to bring that to you. Personally, this is a cop for myself, and I will be implementing this into my weekly sneaker rotation. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So stick around for the end of the video to see the on-feet portion. I appreciate you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.